Hello, in this video we are going to look at the decrement command, which is DEC. What I recommend is watching the previous video, which was the increment command, aka INC, which will just allow you to add one to a register value or a variable, and the decrement is very similar. So recommend watching that, and we're going to be moving on from there. So we have this prints out this hello world text, but as we have specified the length as only 2, prints out HE, but then we incremented it 3 times, so we printed out hello. So the next 3 letters. But what I'm going to do now is change this to, I'm going to change it to hello length, which is the full length. So if I do that, as you can see, it got the full length and incrementing it. As there's nothing else in our register, it's not actually printing anything else out. But instead of incrementing it, I'm going to decrement it. To decrement it, you do DEC, DE. So this should decrement it by 1 3 times. So the exclamation mark, the D, and the L will be gone from the second line. And yeah, makes sense. The new line character is gone as well. So it's the new line character that's gone as well. Okay, so that is fine. So that's literally all there is for the decrement command. You can apply it to a register value or a variable value. Remember, if this was a variable, you would need to enclose this in square brackets. Apart from that, that's really all there is that you need to know regarding the decrement command. As an extra task, I recommend trying to do it with a variable. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.